In this video, you'll learn how to decrease the leverage on Bitget, a popular cryptocurrency trading platform. By following these steps, you will be able to adjust your leverage settings to better manage your trading risk. Begin by navigating to the Bitget website in your preferred web browser. Ensure that you are connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the Bitget exchange. Next, locate the option labeled Beyond Crypto on the homepage. Click on this link to proceed to the next section of the platform. This action will redirect you to a new page displaying various trading futures option to access the futures trading section. This is where you will find the tools necessary for adjusting leverage settings. Wait for the page to fully load to ensure all features are available for use. Once this appears, select USDT M futures from the available options. This selection will take you to the futures trading environment specific to USDT pairs. Ensure that the page loads completely before moving forward. Now click on the trade button to enter the trading interface. You should see a variety of trading options and tools designed for futures trading. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct section before proceeding. Next, look for the leverage setting, which is usually displayed as 10x by default. Click on this value to initiate the adjustment process. This action will open a menu allowing you to modify the leverage according to your preferences. After that, click on Adjust Leverage. A message will appear indicating that if you adjust the leverage, now all positions and pending orders will be affected. This is an important consideration as it may impact your trading strategy. Now, select BTUSDT to focus on the specific trading pair you wish to adjust. This will bring you to the detailed settings for that pair. Verify that you are still in the futures trading section for accuracy. Next, click on Leverage to access the leverage adjustment settings. You will see the current leverage displayed along with options to modify it. Ensure that you are prepared to make changes before proceeding. Now, click on the down arrow to decrease the leverage to your desired level. This action will allow you to choose a lower leverage setting, which is crucial for risk management in trading. Take a moment to consider what leverage suits your trading style. After adjusting the leverage, you may want to click on Batch Adjust All USDT Futures Leverages and Leverage 20x. This option enables you to adjust the leverage for multiple futures at once, streamlining your trading set. Next, click on Batch Leverage Adjustment to confirm the changes you wish to make. This will initiate the process of applying your selected leverage settings across the chosen futures. Once this is done, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm the adjustment of default leverage for all USDT M futures. Click on Confirm to finalize your settings. This confirmation is necessary to apply the changes effectively. You will see a message indicating that the maximum leverage for batch adjustment is 20x. Take note that this limit is in place to manage risk effectively during trading. Another message will inform you that you can only batch change the leverage for futures with no open positions or open orders. Ensure that you meet this requirement to proceed without issues. Finally, click on Confirm to complete the adjustment process. You may need to confirm again to finalize the changes. Make sure that you see a confirmation message indicating that your adjustments have been successfully applied. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.